Hello and welcome to our second video of 3D CNN implementation. We made the choice to use the 3D NIST dataset in the last video. A 3D representation of the handwritten digits database from NIST. This dataset contains 12,000 samples in HDF5 file format. With 10,000 samples used for training and 2,000 samples used for testing. It was produced by turning the pictures of the digits in the original 2D NIST into 3D point clouds. The 3D NIST dataset consists of 4,096 D vectors obtained from the voxelization, x:16, y:16, z:16. To make the result more efficient, we need to create two functions. The first is to transform images into binary and reshape vectors, and the second is to convert the class indices into a one-hot encoded target value. Look at this example to understand what the targets will look like.